Today I'm playing do not choose, don't press a button and I cannot walk with you. Right, so I thought do not choose the wrong buttons. Don't press the button, sorry. And I'm on the fourth one. So I don't know what's so different about them all, but I just died. Oh my gosh. I'm floating. Why am I floating? Right, there we go. Let's press the button. Oh my goodness. There's a massive bomb. Why do I need to... Oh, there's vacuum balls. Like... Why were the vacuum balls? Which the other side? Oh, it's parkour. I did not want to do parkour, just to reach the other side. Alright, game. Please. I could have easily walked through that. Come on. What part did I touch? That's just stupid. I didn't even have time to do half of it. Jump over the coming lasers. Oh. Ah! Oh my goodness. And of course I'm floating. It always happens in these do not press the button. The person who will click the button the most amount of times will win. I'm pressing it anyway. Got 3 seconds. What's gonna happen? Young Yoda 1111 with 58 clicks. Alright. Why is it saying Why is it saying What's happening? What's happening? Well, I have no idea what just happened. Oh my goodness. I thought they were gonna come from the sky. This is easy. Just stay here. As soon as I see it, of course. That is just annoying. Wait, why can Roblox logic makes no sense? Have I? I think it's my render distance, but it still makes no sense. They're just disappearing. But whatever. Okay, can I stop floating in the sky? I just want to get down. Wait, what if I go over here? Are you kidding me? I thought I was going to fall into the void again. Oh, I passed it. Find the blocks they call us to survive. Am I dumb? Have you guys got no idea what a Bloxy Cola is? What in the heck is a Bloxy Cola? Think fast. What do you mean? Oh. Well, how was I meant to know that I was doing a flow with lava challenge? Jeez. Watch out for the snowballs. Huh? Snowballs? Snowballs. Oh my goodness gracious me. What is happening? Oh my goodness gracious. Ah! No, it's gonna follow me. It's gonna follow me. This is hideous. I seriously need to wait for this to stop. Oh, it stopped. Oh! Why am I so bad at this game? Why am I floating in the sky again? Why do you float in the sky once you die? That makes absolute zero sense. But what if I just make sure I land on the button? I think about there. I land on the button. Nah, about there. I clicked it. Bad weather. Gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. What is happening? I know it's lightning, but I didn't know that it was like that bad. My goodness. What the? Why? How is there just lightning bolts every 3 seconds? Like what is happening? Well, I survived that one surprisingly. Go fast! I'm like Sonic. Oh, the Flash. Meow. I just turned into a human Ferrari. Like, jeez. Or like a Bugatti or something. Like I'm going so fast. Well, not so fast, but going just very fast. Very fast for a video game anyway. And I like how there's just rainbow particles behind me. Anyway. Coins. What? What's that? Who's Haley 1972? Whoever that is, they have a bomb. Where's the colour, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, there's Haley. How in the heck did Haley kill me? How? Oh. Told me to get to the waterline. Reach the top. Easy. Just don't touch the snowballs. This is literally the easiest challenge yet. Oh my goodness, the golf balls. Are the golf balls or snowballs? This is very confusing. I'm guessing the snowballs, but it doesn't really make sense how massive snowballs would kill me. Oh my goodness. This massive snowball is just killing everyone. Oh, okay. The spinning laser. Jeez. There's so much spinning lasers and everything. Like, what's up with that? And I died. Of course. Wait, let's... I'm going to try and land on the button this time, so about there. Maybe. I'm just guessing here. If I go here, I'll land on the button. Please? No. Oh. What? Oh my goodness, there's a colour under this. Why is it a mixture between orange and white? Avoid being grilled. Oh, that's why. I did not notice that. I didn't notice that it was a grill. And also, I just noticed that when you're falling, you don't die. Like in real life, if you fell from this height, you'd probably die, or at least break 1,000,000 bones. But more likely die. But absolutely nothing happens. Oh, lava. It's the lava challenge. Jeez, no. Oops, I made a mistake. I wasn't meant to do that. Gee. I thought the lava was gonna rise up to the platform. Boing, boing. Ooh, a trampoline. A very bouncy trampoline. World records. Wow. Guinness World Records. Like, I swear, if a trampoline was this big in real life, it would break. If someone jumped on it. Like, if this was a trampoline in real life, it would break if someone jumped on it. Oh! It would break if someone jumped on it because it jumped so high. Because it jumped so high on that trampoline. Mother. Potatoes? That is so random. Hey, look. Watch out. What? Sky? Oh! A meatball. Why do we need to watch out for a meatball? That makes no sense. It's the other side. Oh, not this again. Are you being serious? Go. And I got further. No, I didn't get any further than I did last time. How are you meant to get past that part? Like, it's impossible. Oh my gosh. It's annoying when people are pushing you into the poison thing all the time. Ah! It's not very helpful when massive snowballs are charging at you, is it? Oh, I think I'm going to do it. Are you seriously kidding me? This is the worst. No, Tower of. This is the second worst game on Roblox. The first one is Tower of Hell. And I made a video on Tower of Hell and go and watch that. I was literally raging in that video. Bad weather. Yep, we've had this. My goodness gracious. Ooh. Ah! I've been curious. How am I meant to know when the lightning's going to strike? So clearly. Oh. I stepped on the left mail. Oops. Was that even real? I don't know. I think it was just, I have no idea if that was the left mail or not, but whatever. Seriously? Are you being serious? Well, let's try and land on the target. There we go. Oh, I literally landed on the button. My goodness gracious. A tsunami. Oh goodness. How did I die? How? Before I even saw that it was just tsunami. Wait. That does it. I'm just finished. I'm just ending this video. Bye.